Hey guys, it's Kiara, and today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different. I'm going to be doing a makeup tutorial. Not really a tutorial, kind of just me doing my makeup. I'm starting to get into it now, and I'm going to show again the look that I'm trying to replicate because it passed already. But it's kind of like this with jewels, and instead of pink, I'm going to do blue. So I'm gonna be doing my makeup. Stick around, grab a snack, or do your makeup with me. So let's get into it. Right now I'm applying concealer. I try to do really light concealer because I also don't use foundation, so I just like to cover up underneath my eyes just to brighten up my look. So now I'm applying white eyeshadow to my lower lash line. I would have preferred to do white eyeliner, like a pencil, but I didn't have that. I usually do, but I don't. So this is what I was doing instead, and I still like the way that it came out. So going on to the eyeshadow, I just got this eyeshadow palette from e.l.f. and it basically just has a few blue colors, and I'm just gonna start with light blue and go into dark, kind of like an ombre effect. So we'll see how that comes out. Once I started adding the jewels, it was kind of difficult to like stick them on in the right exact place that I wanted, because I wanted the line to be a straight curve, like with no bumps in it, but it was kind of hard because I was just sticking it on with my finger. And also, by the way, the adhesive that I was using to stick it onto my eyelid was lash glue, so I don't know if that's really good for your skin. So if it's not, don't do it. I don't know, I'm just starting out, but this was a bit time consuming. This was the longest part of my makeup. I had to really take my time to get it just right, so I skipped a lot of the pieces so you guys didn't have to watch all of it. Now I'm going to be starting on my eyebrows. I do my eyebrows very light and I just outline them and then brush it all in. But along with that, I'm also going to be doing a feathery look. And by doing this, I'm going to take the eyebrow gel and I'm just going to brush my eyebrow hairs up instead of making them like uniform. I want them to be very wispy and feathery. Now I'm gonna start doing my lashes. I just apply mascara and just try to separate my lashes. And the lashes that I'm using, by the way, are Ardell Wispies. And so I'm just gonna apply my lash glue and I'm just gonna try to very carefully apply them so that I don't mess up my eyeshadow. But I ended up doing a very good job, which I'm very proud of myself because I didn't mess it up. So it came out pretty good. And this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you try it out, please send it to me. And I will see you guys next time on my videos. Peace.